So it sort of leads on to this other thing that I think you're well qualified to talk to about and maybe to teach me and other people about is story creation. Like, what does it take to create a humorous story with impact? Because
Hmm.
that's what I've seen in your work. You have a way of finding the humor in something, but it's not a laugh off kind of humor. It's a laugh in order to have an impact. Does that ring true to you?
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
So how do I do it?
well, yeah. I mean, there's one thing to use humor, and there's another to be funny, right? Um, and actually, getting back to the improv thing for a second, like when you first take Improv 101, there's always some joker in the group who thinks he's hilarious. It's usually a guy, and he's loud and just like, ah, look at me. And he's usually the one that doesn't come back for the next class. Um, And what I'm saying is basically that like it's not so much about being the center of attention or trying to be like the funniest, but using humor in life is just a way to ease tension. It's a way to humanize a moment. It's a way to build connection and to connect with somebody. And obviously, there's the right and wrong kind of humor given this circumstance or the person you're communicating with, of course. But at the same time, I think nobody likes someone who's just humorless, right? I mean, somebody who's just like boring and just like always uptight or no fun. Those are not the people you want to spend time with. It's the people that shed a little light, do a little joke. And so, like, I try to, it's part of my, it's not like a written rule, but like when I'm out in the world in a day, I try to make people laugh or smile at least. So like if I'm at the grocer, and I'm checking out, I'll ask the person like, "How's your day going?" And they'll be like, "Oh, it's okay. It's not that, whatever." And I'm like, "Oh, are you just starting your shift?" Or and I'll just like have a little chit chat and say something, maybe hopefully say something a little humorous that'll at least, make them smile or giggle. And yeah, I think it's just a way to yeah, bring a little light in a moment. And I think taking yourself too seriously is never a good way to go. Certainly, not always. Or yeah, taking yourself too seriously is just it's, that's
Well,
I don't know. I
nice.
think humor is
And
humanity, right? Nice, and yeah,
nice.
exactly. So